In this video I'm showing how to remove duplicate values in Microsoft Excel. So I have a table open here with some fictitious employee names and hire dates. And you can see that for each entry there is a duplicate below it with the same information. You might end up with a situation like this if you exported data from another application and for whatever reason it gave you duplicate values. Luckily Excel makes it pretty easy to remove the duplicates. To do that, just click on Data and then click on Remove Duplicates. And you can see here it selected the information in these cells. And Excel is smart enough to know that my data has headers, so this box is already checked. If it's unchecked, you can see that the first row is included in the search for duplicates. I'm going to go ahead and check it again. And we can see that the columns that it's going to search for duplicates in is employee name and the hire date column. And what Excel is doing when we run this is it is removing entire duplicate rows. I'm going to go ahead and hit OK here. And you can see here it removes 7 duplicate values and 7 unique values remain. I'm going to go ahead and say OK. And we can see that all the duplicates are gone. And just to illustrate the part that I mentioned earlier that Excel is looking for entire duplicate rows, I'm going to undo that last change. And for the employee George here, let's change him to 2018. And we'll run the remove duplicates again. And you can see this time it only removed 6 values and 8 unique values remain. That is because it is looking for an entire duplicate row when you run this. And since the entire row wasn't duplicate, it leaves both of these values because it considers them unique. Alright, so that's pretty much it for this video. Hit like if this helped you out, and thanks for watching.